Hi guys, it's your procurement queen. This is what a bid tabulation looks like. So in New Jersey, they were looking for a provider for yoga services. Namaste. Right? And they put out an opportunity and it was available for anyone, all right, in any state to compete for this opportunity. They only received one bid submission. Just one, right? And that vendor won the contract. Now, this vendor had their documents, right? Because we have to check to make sure they have certain requirements, which is great. And they won for yoga services. Yoga services is a government contract. If you own a yoga studio and you're like, how do I get opportunities like this? Let me know in the comment down below, and I'll consider doing a class for yoga instructors on how to compete for these opportunities, okay? Visit procurementqueen.com. And remember, when you get information such as what I share on the Procurement Queen page, you have to take action. You have to submit your response, okay? Visit procurementqueen.com. There's a free class in my bio.